Hi everybody, welcome back to our discussion. Today topic is vaccine. So, what is vaccine? And Bharat Biotech, one of the leading biotech company, they prepared the Covaxin, one of the potential COVID-19 vaccine. So, from that, today I will talk general topic about the part of our subject. Just I will discuss the general topic vaccine. So, what is vaccine? What is Covaxin? And what are the ingredients of Covaxin and composition of Covaxin? And Bharat Biotech, what are the papers they publish? What are the facts? These things we will discuss today. Just we will see, look that Covaxin India first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine. So today our topic is Covaxin India first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine, ingredients of Covaxin. Covaxin you can see everywhere, everyone, you can see that in media and social media also, everyone says Covaxin is the potential COVID-19 vaccine. This developed by the Bharat Biotech in Genome Valley in Hyderabad. So you can see this, the part of I was interesting to explain about the what is vaccine and composition of Covaxin. Okay, you can see this next one slide. You can see this self my Halavat Ramesh. Just you will see that my education, what I did in previous, like I did MSc Chemistry and MA English and PhD in Biological Science and MPhil Chemistry and PhD in Chemical Science. Okay, this is just my educational qualification. Just you will, if you just you will see that my career. Okay, you can see anyhow, Covaxin is the India first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine. So indigenous means like homemade. So completely our materials using and they prepared the Covaxin. That's what is looks India first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine. So before we are going to discuss about the Covaxin, first we will know what is vaccine. Generally people they don't know what is vaccine, but I wrote here 3-4 definition what is vaccine. What is vaccine means the vaccine is nothing but of like biological preparation that improve the immunity system to a particular disease. Suppose if we are affected by something, any other diseases, then how to improve that our immunity system, that is called vaccine. So you can see another one definition I also mentioned here. Vaccine is the antigen containing material given to acquire either permanent or temporary immunity against a specific pathogen or disease. This is another one definition. You can see here vaccine is the nothing but of a antigen. It contains like material given to acquire that a temporary or permanent immunity against the specific pathogen or disease. That is called vaccine. The traditionally vaccines were prepared with the help of pathogens which may be completely or partially killed. So this is the brief introduction about the vaccine. You can see the next further slide. That main topic, the main concept is Covaxin vaccine composition. What are the composition? You can see how they prepared the Covaxin, the vaccine. What are the ingredients? So first one see here, very simple. It looks like very simple, but they did lot of hard work. Hundreds of scientists and workers, they did day and night, sleepless nights they spent, and they finally find the Covaxin, first to Bharat Biotech in indigenous COVID-19 vaccine. So here is the Covaxin composition are the 5. First one is the 6 microgram variant inactivated SARS-CoV-2 antigen. The strain they are using here NIV 2020770. This is the first one composition. Means this is the inactivated SARS-CoV antigen, that is called strains. Next one see, second one aluminum hydroxide gel 250 micrograms. They are taking here 250 micrograms aluminum hydroxide gel. And what is the use of aluminum hydroxide gel? Generally the people use the antacids, lower the acid levels in our stomach. So second one is the aluminum hydroxide. And third one is the TLR 7/8 antagonist means imidazole quinoline 15 micrograms. It is the one of the antiviral. So this imidazole quinoline is used as a antiviral. So this is the third one composition. You can see the fourth one 2-phenoxyethanol. 2-phenoxyethanol 2.5 milligrams. What is the main role of 2-phenoxyethanol? Generally they use as a antiseptic or the preservatives. Suppose if you transport the vaccine from one place to another one place and without contamination, without disturbing, so they are using the 2-phenoxyethanol for preservative as well as the antiseptic. So what is the source of 2-phenoxyethanol? It is source in the green tea. You can see here green tea will be available generally the naturally 2-phenoxyethanol. And fifth one is the phosphate buffer saline PBS up to 0.5 ml. So non-toxic, the PBS is the non-toxic. It is prevent the cells rupturing or the maintaining the pH. So these are the 5 main compositions of Covaxin ingredients. You can see the first one is the inactivated SARS-CoV. Second one is aluminum hydroxide gel. And third one is the imidazole quinoline. And fourth one is the 2-phenoxyethanol. And fifth one is the PBS, phosphate buffer saline. These are the 5 main compositions they use, and they will prepare the Covaxin as now to anti of the COVID-19. You can see that next one I representing here like figures. This is that first one. You can see the 5 ingredients I was representing here by figures. You can see this is the SARS-CoV-2. This is that inactivated strains. And second one is the PBS, phosphate buffer saline. And this is the third one is the, you can see here, antacid. I told no, antacid means what is that antacid? Antacid means nothing but of what they are using. Antacid means, you can see here, the aluminum hydroxide gel. So this is that aluminum hydroxide gel bottle. And this is the 2-phenoxyhydroxine. This is that preservative and antiseptic. This is the imidazole quinoline. These 5 are the main compositions of Covaxin. Okay, these are the 5 compositions. And I can say, suppose if you choose that Covaxin, suppose if you taken that Covaxin, what are the side effects? Maybe slightly it will be take the injection strain pains of your swelling or redness, and nothing to worry, but it is common. And headache, fever, malaise, body hatch, and neurias and vomiting, rashes. These are the some common characters it will be expressed when you are taking the Covaxin vaccine. Okay, nothing to worry. You can, these are the common, so you can ignore it and just you can use for the Covaxin, one of the best vaccine in the Naveen. You can see that how the people are, they are believing to Covaxin. So they are publishing n number of papers, and the Bharat Biotech 145 globally 145 patents they are claiming. So you can see that they are publishing m number of paper. The journal see Lancet Infectious Diseases. This is a journal. They are published in this phase 2 human trial, and the title of this one, safety and immunogenicity clinical trial of the inactivated SARS-CoV-2 vaccine BBV 155 phase 2 double blinded and randomized control trial, and the resistance and immune response from the phase 1 fall of the report. This paper is published in India. You can see the second one paper, the phase 1 human clinical trials. They published in the Lancet, the same journal. And you can see the third one also, the neutralization of UK variant. How that inactivated COVID-19, the paper title, vaccine BBV Covaxin efficiently neutralized the recently emerged B117 variant in SARS-CoV-2. This journal is published in Travel in Medicines, JMT. Next one, see the Master's Efficiency Study in Cell Press, they are published. You can see the fifth one paper, non-human formity efficient studies. These are the natural communication they published, and the preclinical safety and the immunity system they are published in the self press. This the 6 papers they publish, and they claim the lot of patents in Bharat Biotech. Okay, and another one good news is recently the India Covaxin is the very important antidotes against the COVID. Dr. Pachai. You can see that Dr. Anthony Pachai is the director of USA National Instructor of the Health and the Infection Diseases. He said recently in media, Bharat Biotech, the developer that in Covaxin, one of the great potential and good vaccine for the COVID-19. So, Covaxin India is the homegrown COVID-19 vaccine, has been founded to the neutralize. And the another one best thing is the variant also it dead the virus. That is the plus point to our Covaxin. 617 variant also deadly virus. White House Chief Medical Advisor and the America top pandemic expert Dr. Anthony Fauci said in the Washingtons. So most of the India one of the great, really we feel very proud. So for developing of the Covaxin, Bharat Biotech from Hyderabad. You can see recently you can have our Chief Minister like Prime Minister and the director, these things in Canada, those are the visited in Bharat Biotech. Okay, this is up to close I will my class, and thanks for your great patience to listen my class. And really if you like this video, please like, share, comment and share your friends. Thank you very much. Bye, see you. And another one I can remember you, and recently I was here dexamethasone. They developed the one of the tablet. This is in 30 rupees in available. So this, if you look this dexamethasone tablets also they are instead of the vaccine. If you have any seriously, better to refer the tablet. Okay, bye, see you, take care, have a nice day.